Hey friends! Welcome back to Easy Draw Kawaii today. We are going to draw a super cute little rocket ship. Grab your paper and pen and let's get started. First, draw the main body of the rocket. Make it tall with a pointed top. Then add 2 side fins at the bottom. Now draw a small window near the top. Add a curved line on the nose and another line across the lower part. Then draw the engine underneath. Let's make our rocket cute. Draw 2 big eyes and a smiling mouth. Then add a fluffy cloud under the rocket. Let's start coloring together. Great job! Now color the rocket with a nice blue color. Leave the window white and keep the cloud white too. Next, color the engine with orange and add a little flame to make it look like the rocket is taking off. Awesome! Our cute rocket is finished and ready to fly into space. Fantastic work, everyone! I hope you had fun drawing this cute rocket with me. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more easy drawings. See you in the next drawing adventure!